Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, November 10th, and we are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. First, I'd like to start with a very big thank you to all the people who continue to like these videos. Really appreciate it. Second, tonight's video will be definitely later. Have to leave right around the close, so it won't be till late afternoon, early evening tonight. Okay, what do we got going here? Well, we had B-shapes yesterday in SPY, ES, NQ, and triple Q for long liquidation. Right now, that long liquidation seems to be continuing as we're trading ES and SPY at the lower end of our range, and right now NQ and triple Q are trading below yesterday's range. Now, we all had very wide POCs yesterday, so unless we have gaps that hold, I would think the odds of trading at them are very good. Remember, Russell was 13 for 13. And they're trading right now in value, in balance. We're all in a balance here on the daily, right? We came out of an inside day yesterday in triple Qs. We're in a 4-day balance. See if they're going to take out the bottom of that balance and go down on the daily. Remember, there was a lot of areas where buyers were on the 3rd, on Fed day. We'll see if they're there to defend again. Russell, same thing, basically in a 4-day balance. They're a lot further away from their balance low, though, as of now. As far as SPY and ES, same thing. 4-day balance. We're not near our balance low just yet. That's the Forts low. If we get acceptance below it, then again we have the Fed day where we had the price probe single prints to see how they defend that level. Pre-market volume not very heavy right now. As far as the overnights, 467.50 is the overnight high. 465.65 is the overnight low. So a game plan for both now and at 9:30. If you open inside of yesterday's range, I would think the odds of trading back to our 12-wide POC are very good. So now, do you want to take a call play? It all depends on how close we are to it. If we open and we're 30, 40 cents away, and we start getting any acceleration above wherever we open, then sure, you could take a call play to go get the POC. Very visual level, okay? I mean, it is the worst of the risk rewards in balance in value, but you would be seeking a destination. So that's one call play you could take. As far as a put play, again, if you're to open, get up to that level, that should be a speed bump. If you don't get that much of a speed bump and you push right back up to M and value high, you can take a short against it. Just like yesterday, I was looking for the short. If G had gone up, again, you could use half back and or C's high as your out if we get into that sell tail. Remember, we've had pretty decent sell tails, if I could find it, at our all-time, right, for the last 3 days. In B with the all-time high, A yesterday, A again, A on Monday, A yesterday. So until they start proving they can get into these sell tails, you can take a short against that. But remember, by that time, value would probably be overlapping to higher. Just keep that in mind. On the flip side, if we push down, I'm not really, if we were one time framing up in the daily, I would say you could take a long against the day's low to see if they defend that, but that's not the case. So I would not take a long against yesterday's low, and in fact, I would probably take a short below yesterday's low to see if we go. Now, the overnight low is fairly close right now. So if we get yesterday's low, we should get the overnight low, and then the next destination would be H's low from the 4th, the afternoon pullback, and then the bottom of our 4-day balance. So again, you can take a put play if you take out yesterday's low and the overnight low. Make sure you get that. You don't want to see them front run it and then they run it in your face. But if they get both of those, you could take a short, and then I would be out if you get acceptance back into yesterday's range. Again, all early plays. And then again on the chart, just going to show you the daily. That's the only one really in play right now. 4-day balance, I'm calling it. Some people call it a 3-day balance. Some people will even say we're down because we came out of an inside day. Again, it's all subjective, right? There's no set rules. I'm using this as a 4-day balance. So again, the question is, do we go and test the bottom of the 4-day balance, and what happens there? Do we get any acceptance below it and the daily would then be firmly down? Or do we just test it, not get much, and we stay inside of a 4-day balance? All remains to be seen. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap later this afternoon.